Here we go on writing in word form. So word form is another way of writing a number, but we use words instead of numerals. So let's look at the number right here. One thing that can help you is to write it on the place value house. So I'm just going to get this filled in a little more accurately. So I've got this number here, 15,807. Whoops. Alright, here we go. That's better. So we've got 15,807. This can help us to see how we need to write the number. So I've got 15,000. I've got my comma. That's right here. So 15,000. So I can see here that this is 15 in the thousands house, and then it's 807, because now we're in that hundreds house. Now what I want you to do is pause this video. I want you to think, how would you write this one in word form? And then check it with what I do. Well, now it's time to write this number out. I hope that you paused it and tried it. So I'm going to write my 4 there, 9, 8, and 7. Actually, I did this wrong. And what we should do, we should start from the beginning, the end of the number. So I know I've got 7 in the ones place, 8 in the tens, got 9 hundreds, and then I've got 4 in the thousands. So now this helps me read this number of 4,987. So I'm going to write this as 4,000, because now we're in the thousands house, 987. I want you to pause this one more time and try writing this number here, the 506, this number here. I almost read it. So go ahead and pause it. Now I'm going to fill it in on the place value house again. I'm going to start with the ones, if my mouse will cooperate. So I'm going to fill in the 4, on the 3, on the 2, on the 6, on the 1, on the 5. So you can see now that it's 516,234. So now I'm going to write this in word form. 500, because we're in that thousands. So 500, 16,000, because that's the last name of that house. 230. So using this place value house is a great way to write numbers in word form. You start at the ones, fill in your digits or your numerals, and then use the house last names to help you write it in word form.